Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Rosario Macaranas. I'm married, 36 years old. I have 3 children. They are 60. My eldest is 16, 15, and my youngest is 7. I'm secondary graduate.
Okay, can you tell me your working experience?
My work experience when I'm single, I'm sales lady for 1 year, and I have 2 years experience for as maid here in the Philippines.
Okay, so how many members in the family you serve when you work as a law maid here in the Philippines?
There are 6, ma'am.
Okay, so how many children were there?
There are 3 children. And
Okay, and how many granny?
1,
Okay, how old the granny I mean is?
73, ma'am.
Is this a healthy walking or a bedridden?
Healthy.
Maybe she can walk.
Yes, ma'am. I help her.
Okay, so meaning to say just take a look for a granny only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and can you tell me what is your job inside the house?
My job